How to buy Worldcoin on Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Worldcoin on Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Binance. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you will need to search for your Worldcoin. For that, simply head over to this search bar on the top and search for WLT. After that, here you'll find your WLT. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you can see its current rate and everything. So tap on buy from here. After you tap on buy, you can then choose the amount of WLT that you want to buy, the amount, and then tap on buy WLT. After you tap on buy, you will then simply buy the WLT, and that's how easy it is. And just follow along with the prompt of the buying process and the transaction process, and you're good to go. And that's how you buy WLT coin or Worldcoin on Binance. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.